Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye. Hello, my people from Untouchable Mama. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. How na day? Oh, see everywhere. Good. My brothers and sisters, e get wetin I wan talk about today. This video I no put am for here, but I will put the audio. If una wan watch the video, una watch am for my page. E dey for my Facebook page, Untouchable Mama. If you just write am Untouchable Mama, you see my page for there. Because something there, if I dey talk about am, I no dey put the video, but if you want make you watch am, you fit watch am for my page. My brothers and sisters, this video as I see am, I don't know as I'll take talk am. I don't know as I take see am. I just the thing weak me. I felt the hear am because I know talk say I no for the hear am. I felt the hear am, but I no believe say na real. I want to talk about this family, about them be Jehovah Witness, my brothers and sisters. This family, them be Jehovah Witness. The daughter, he need to. That is, the daughter need them. They need to. He need blood, and the problem where the daughter gets, they need to hydrocalfless or something like that. Now that they call them that is the sickness. We dey call it hydrocephalus for Italian language. My brothers and sisters, the thing I don't know as I take talk, I just see the man they talk, the thing they vex me, It just they vex me because you say you be Jehovah Witness. I felt the hear am before say Jehovah Witness people, they know they agree make they give them blood. Either they sick, they say lie, they know they agree. I felt the hear am better. I can't see this video now. Now I can say this thing where the people really they talk not true. I will put the audio more and listening to the father. Oh my God, I hold my head. If you see the pikin dead their hand, oh God of Nazareth, why all these people too they believe? Where the right hand put for Bible say, if you dey sick, doctor want give you blood, may you not carry. Where the right hand put, where the right one no verse on, I know say I know they go church. Whether it dey for inside Bible, and this Bible of a thing where we just they carry up and down. Now person right hand, for God's sake. Now person right hand, See the man they talk for there, and because another man go meet am. Be like say they don't fair know the man. Now here if I put the video, be like say they fair know the man. So the man go their house. Even they even lock the pikin for inside house. See the head of the baby come big well. You understand? Because they need to treat her, and before they treat her, they need to give her blood. This man say no, they agree, make they give her blood. Why? Because you say you be Jehovah Witness. Oh God. Wetin be all this? Wetin be all this? Because of say you get your religion. Maybe tomorrow now when the baby go grow come out, he no be Jehovah Witness. He go follow another road. Because of say you now you be Jehovah Witness. That pikin, you know what made them treat am, make them give. You say you want make them treat am, but make them not give am blood. That one still dey happen. Sometimes you dey sick. When you go hospital, doctor will say, before we touch you, before we do anything, we must give you blood to save your life. Not be say that they give like that. Because normally they know they give person blood. If you don't need down, say they say you really need down, then they will give you. If your body need down, because they want to operate you, so when they operate person now, you go still lose blood for them. This man say no, they agree. The thing they pay me. And I be when like say I go fit enter inside that video, carry that pikin for in hand. Like say I go fit enter inside, just carry the pikin, how you go decide because you say now you born her. Because of say now you born the pikin, now you want decide for her. Who you be? Now so they do you. No be so they do you. If doctor tell una something, more na dey follow am before you come talk say we try, because the man dey talk say they try many things. Wetin you try? You not try anything. If you really say you want save the life of your child, you go try everything by all means. Leave your religion alone. Leave your religion alone. And also you not follow am. We are talking about of life of person. Forget about religion. Later you come talk about that one. You want come talk say now the religion now it's special pass the child wey dey your hand. I don't know how some people say they behave. More than no verse. The thing they all they pay me. Since I see her yesterday, I dey watch the video, watch her. Whether I go fit just enter inside, carry the baby for in hand. Huh? Because of say your religion no need that. Then, oh my good God. Because you say your religion no need that. You want let the baby may give up like that. Now wow for that our country. I don't know wetin they do some of people because of religion. Your religion say make them not do like this, and you true just wait, open your two eye, crow eye. They see your child, they go down. The something not bite you for inside, but they say wait here they do so. Now you now want let your child go down like that. Now you now don't they do all this thing. Okay, when you go let that child now say give up. Huh? You are they happy with your religion. Which kind of religion be that one? More than no verse, so the thing don't they pepper me. The thing they pepper me because they hear some people when they talk for their man say religion I ain't cause where I don't want to do this thing. We know they talk about to play or to do say I can't greet you, you not can't greet me. Or we are talking the life of a child where you carry for 9 months, even the mom that sit down for there. I bet more go watch the video. Because I'm not putting for you. The mother that sit down for them, you know, 9 months for belly when you carry. The thing no bite you. Say this man carry your religion go one corner. I know say in Africa now waiting man talk now they do now they follow. But waiting man talk now they follow. He reach. But again we something we are talking about the child where you carry for 9 good months. When you born come out, now you born now you be the woman. Now you born and come out, now you know as you take it take pain you. You don't know whether you even come out for inside hospital that very day. Then man go carry her for hand. They talk say because of your religion. Go to hell with your religion. One and no verse. The thing they verse me. The thing they verse me. Ask me there yet, so they say me I cut my hand. Say now because they want save my child. I go do and before they talk and say I don't do one. Before they talk and me I don't do one. Oh baby, small baby, we no fit talk for himself. I said that small baby, he go fit talk for himself. If I talk for himself, just because I say you be the parents, now you supposed to talk for the before they do something. You say no. If they want treat am, make them treat am. If they want give am blood, make them not give am because of say you be Jehovah Witness. Oh my God, people will be Jehovah Witness. I don't know whether not true. Before they hear am, but we I can't hear this one, I can't see am with my two, and I can't say. So now really, now so they be. Maybe not be all Jehovah Witness, so somewhere they way head correct. You go say this one we they talk about our life. So how you go say because of say you be Jehovah Witness, you know one made them give am blood, made them for treat that pikin. Even here say even anyway, I know even here if you go hospital say your body not dey strong and they need to operate you, they will tell you say we go give you blood. They will tell you we go give you blood because we don't know whether you will come out for inside theater. You understand? How many people they don't solve, where they don't save their life because of blood? Many day. You go say, I go hospital, I don't even know say I get the person they sick, you don't know say he blood low like that. So when they want to operate they can't give him blood. Everybody they pray me they not give am blood. Nobody like can say you must give me blood. But when he come to that area where the doctor will tell you say anything where will they do because they must tell you before they do it to yourself now your body. They say sometimes they will tell and say I don't need me they give me. But if really say he need to save my life, he go say make una do am. This one say no. Una go here the audio for there. I bet more than watch the video. I bet if you be Jehovah Witness, I know say me you no believe on your religion. But when it got to say this one a life of person, I beg, fair package jam, save your life first before other thing. Because if you give up today, you lost your life today. That religion, who go come the servant. Now that one me I dey think about. Your religion not tell you say, may you not save your life. I be tell them, I don't know because I know they side. Maybe he tell them. Now we no say some people now what did they tell them for church? Now then they put for a side brain. Now that one then they use anyone where another person they talk, it be like say you just they talk with war. My brothers and sisters, this thing just pay me. I believe say anybody wey is here, it must pay now. Unless say you be them, you be the same with that people. You be those people where they against say not give a blood. A good make the person just lost his life than to give am blood. Which kind of something be that one? Which kind of words be that one? Many people where they don't survive because of say taking make person take blood. Now blood now they carry us waka, not be water. Now blood now they carry us waka. Now sometimes you see say be like say hi they turn you. Then when they go check your blood test, they'll say the blood low. They'll start to they give you iron. See me you take iron to bring the blood back. No be water they carry us waka. Water join, blood join. Now blood now can be everything. Anything we want to do, any test we want to do now, they must take your blood, make they test you, wait till they go on for inside your body. Wait till they worry our people. Like say now he just they decide for himself. Now I go say now himself, but no be that little baby. Oh God, if you not see her, wanna go watch her. I don't see her because now since yesterday I see her. I be want to talk about her, but I don't get chance now. Say, may I talk today? May I talk about this thing? If you decide for yourself, good now yourself now you know as you want to do yourself. But no be that small baby where you no fit talk, you no fit do anything. And the mother sit down for there, you know. Oh God, why now? Why now? You no fit the pain of that pikin. Say, okay, may I try this side? May I first package my religion first? We are talking about your old blood, something. Where you be say if you use yama hand take hold on like this, the baby feel lost in life. The thing not go pay you tomorrow. Say now you cost her. My brothers and sisters, I beg if you know say you be Jehovah Witness. I know say may you not be any religion now your own. But when it comes to this, I beg, carry yourself go back. Say may I fair do waiting good. Because this one are waiting bad. I don't know where it dey for inside Bible. I don't know where it dey. If it dey, when I feel still right time for me, I don't know where it dey. I know say I know they go church. Now inside my house now they go my church. Even though say I they go church, I know they stupid like that. Say doctor tell me say we are talking about life or death. I call them, they say no, I want to choose death. God forbid bad thing. This life too sweet, oh, it's too sweet. I don't know whether I know sweet for other people. He sweet me, He sweet me well. Why you they play with your whole life? See as the pikin can't be like say he carry and go treatment, then do everything. Maybe by now the pikin don't they okay. I mean, try say you do you know say sometimes you do something. You know me say the pikin go say. The person go survive, but you get that to your mind. Say you try everything where doctor tell you, then your mind go clear, your conscience go clear. Say Baba God, everything where they tell me now I do, but at the end the thing still go as it be. You understand? Try and not be this one. You will say no. Try. How many people did there? Maybe he lost his mother, he lost his father. Maybe they tell them say na blood. And even though say na 10 they want give, say all jamon they carry, make they for their life. But you say no, you know the grip, make they give your daughter. I beg my brothers and sisters, all these things is not good. We are talking about because of say the person where he get the problem, where he get the sickness, he no fit talk for himself. He no fit talk for himself because you say now you be father or now you be mother. No, don't do that. Don't do that because as you they do, you wicked power witch. You wey do that thing, you wicked pass winch. Yes, you wicked pass winch. You just open your eye for ground. You say lie, wetin wan save your daughter, your child. You say you no dey gree. When you know say if dem do this thing, e go really save am. You say you no dey gree. That means you be devil. Devil even good pass you. Una no vex. Una no say I no dey too much because the thing dey pain me. I no dey like when person will say, especially like this one, you hold the pikin for hand, you say if na because of blood, you no dey gree. But if they wan treat am like that, where e dey? Where e dey? Say they wan treat person like that, and na small baby, small pikin, they must give her blood. Because the sickness wey e get, it's like something wey dey, I don't know as I take talk, and the blood no come strong again. You know na person wey dey normal, wey no dey sick, e dey okay. Person wey dey sick, they need that to give am. He say he no dey gree. Say he no dey gree. I don't know as some parents say they behave. I don't know if na abroad for year, na that thing for 9 day. That pikin they will carry am for him hand. He like am, he no like am. And he go prison for these things, for this thing where they do. So when you no gree, make them treat your daughter. Because to say in Africa, okay, if you like, you gree. If you not like, you not gree. Now I will be. If not, yeah, they will just collect that pikin for. Don't say when they'll collect her for your hand. Now you get mad when you tell the tongue say you not agree. Make them treat her. Why they not want treat her? Why they not go treat her for you? Because say now you be the father. Because of say your religion say you no need. Make them give her blood. First of all, pack your religion. We are not talking about religion for here. This one a doctor, na one talk. If na here, that pikin, he give up. They go show the pepper, eh? They go show the pepper. Anyway, they don't collect the pikin for your hand. Go treat am. And remove the pikin, they don't treat am finish. They will comot the pikin for your hand because they will say, you're not supposed to be a parent. They will comot am for your hand because you're not supposed. How you decide? That means your brain not correct. Something wrong for inside. You just decide for small pikin because you know say no fit talk. Now you want decide for and say, yes, I go do this thing. No, I not go do it. Who you be? Decide for your own self. Decide for your own. You don't need the pikin. Say you don't need that. Give another person where you need that. People need pikin. People there where they find pikin, they go where not see. You where just get because they say he get sickness. They want treat am, make them give am blood. You say you know the green. You better leave am like that. Make give up. I beg. If you be Jehovah Witness, if na so na they do, more na change una way o. More na change am. More na not let they don't wash una brain finish. Say blood where they put for inside body, not good. How many people they don't use and say they survive? How many people they don't use and take treat? Eh? You just see person, they'll say, first of all, they'll just tell you, say, now 50-50. We must rush now, may we do something. They'll give them blood, they'll just start to the treat them. 50-50, go to come and say, everything done, they okay. Huh? Do everything possible. May you take save that your child for life. You don't want to do. You say, may they treat her like that, but may they not give them blood. How they want to do one? How they wanted one? No, say Africa now. You go say me you carry and go ask. What did they do now? Then they lock the pikin for inside house. My brothers and sisters, now just short one. Just say me I just bring come because I see the something, the thing they pay me. If they pay me, I be not believe say they really they happen. I felt the hear them. Say Jehovah Witness, they not if they sick, they not they carry blood. I say, not true. I say maybe now just voice. But when I can't hear this one, I say this one not be voice now really. God have mercy. May God have mercy on those people where they do that thing. Especially if you they do it to innocent pikin where not fit talk. If you do it for your body, now your body, you be adult now you know. But if you do it to another person because of saying that you want to decide for them, may God have mercy on you. I don't know. Because all these things, no, my brothers and sisters. I just a little one, just say me, I just talk about this thing. So I'll put the video for my page. Wanna not forget to subscribe, share with your friend, put your comments. Please, just press the button for subscribe. Just put like anything on the cost for them. Everything are free. So my brothers and sisters, now do well. From Untouchable Mama, remain blessed, one love, keep us together. Bye-bye.
So wait, people looking inside?
We come out before.
Hey, God, this head don't do very well.
You see? You see, Anna. Even passing a lot of time, you think that you need to sorry for it. And this such thing came up. We will not want to do something.
I told you that if you blood come out, you'll be back here.
No, when I want blood, I want transfusion of blood. That's the time. And I will not want to transfuse blood into the shot.
That's your faith, your religion, your church.
Yes.
So why didn't you carry it to your church? Why didn't you carry it to your church?
But we have done our best, so we do not need the baby like this. It's past the way of time. That's why.
Okay, now, we want to take the baby away from you. I want to make sure everybody is okay.
Yeah, it's a good thing and it's a good thought. We don't want to, we will not accept things like that, like blood transfusion. If that will be the way, that the cost of surgery, we transfuse blood on the child, another thing to be done.
You want to move to that?
That we want that is that, but that is our thing. Me myself, now, what does that mean?
Precious.
Precious,
Sorry, it's fine, okay?
So, we've done our best right on the day that they did this to us.
Can you allow us to run the surgery? At this point, you don't have a choice at this point. Because what you are depriving this girl of our medical needs now. So that is it. Just the religion shouldn't come in now. What should come in now is to save this girl's life.
Yes, they should allow us.
Now, please come. I know what you are saying. So they said ignorance is one excuse in law, right? Now, if you deprive this girl her medical needs, also it's time.
I'm not depriving her.
Fine. Wait, allow us to take care of this girl. There's no way you run surgery and you won't, you understand?
If it is like that, if it is like that, we will not accept the first. We will not accept surgery. Because I have told them that.
Should we meet your pastor?
Don't worry.
I've explained this before. So, not that we leave her like this. We should also try our best. The best we can do. Right from the day they gave her to this baby, before the thing finally got to this stage.
Yeah, you can really cost it now. Because I know they surgery hard from the day one. This is, you know what this one, you know what they call it? Hydrocephalus.
Yes,
right? Yes, and
they've enlightened us more of this what is here.
and they told you what to do now, right? You know what to do, okay?
But
What we do, we'll take you and the baby to Lagos. So the hospital will run the surgery for her. Let me give back to you.
Can we see her from now so that we can?
Mama, allow us to take your treatment. Rather than go hospital, she will be there. They'll give her treatment. If she gets when you come and take the baby. Alright?
Yes.
Leave your religion aside now.
No, one thing I have to say is that we do not disagree.
Just what I told you.